Don't wait. Don't wait. Had something happen a couple of weeks ago. I bid a project 2 years ago for a commercial customer, and he asked for a revised bid. Of course, the price went up. It has since 2 years ago, but I told him if they sign the contract before April 1st of this year, that the price wouldn't go up anymore, that was a good price for them, and it would just escalate from there, because oil prices, asphalt prices are, as you know, gas prices are going up. And unfortunately, the ink is not on the paper yet. That was a big job. That's a lot of money. Your project might not be that many dollars, but why pay more? If you call us today, we can get bids for you, and we can get that ink on the paper, perhaps save you thousands.